everyone, I am Karthik. She is my wife Nandini. We have recently purchased a home in Kolte Patil I Towers Exente, which is located in Bengaluru, Electronic City Phase 2. We have recently shifted to the house, which has been completely designed by Interior Splash. Not only designed, even executed by Interior Splash. The process of how we came to know about Interior Splash has been very interesting.
So initially we got in touch with Mayank. The major requirement that we had was our home should be customized. We don't want a standard template which we see everywhere. We wanted a uniqueness. We had a few requirements. This is how my dream home should be, is what we had a vision. So when we reached out to Mayank and team, we were given certain set of questions, trying to understand what is our need, how do you want our dream house to look like, and that's where it all started. The best part is about how well they customize their house. They do not have any templates based on individuals' need, how you envision your house. They come up with a unique design. The kind of color coordination, the kind of designs that you have, everything is based on what a client is looking for. So that is the best way of working together with an interior designer. Probably that's the reason why you go to an interior designer, because you want something unique for yourself, and that we found out that it works best with Interior Splash. And we worked closely with Minas, by far one of the very talented interior designer. She exactly knew when we said we want a house which should look spacious, which should be kids friendly. She took into consideration all the minute details to make the house kids friendly as well as look unique and whatnot. Today when we call our friends and families home, everyone is impressed by the way each and every corner is designed. That is the level of detailings that they put in every project, and they would also ensure that they hear you. And we have gone to them with a lot of corrections, lot of changes. At any point in time when we go, they handle it very well. They take it with a smile and instantly say "Ho jayega ma'am" and come up with the changes, which is one of the very comfortable way of working with an interior team. And in terms of the kind of execution process that they have, we were able to complete everything on time. I would say well before time. And when the execution also started, right, we didn't have to go run around and see what's happening every day. A commendable job by the entire team, specifically Prem, who have been coordinating it very well. We get to know everything that was done on a daily basis. It was all updated, and a minute change or progress that's happening, we were always updated about it. So everything was done very streamlined, and it went flawless.
All thanks Mayank, Minas, Prem, and all the others who has worked relentlessly to ensure that this project gets over in time. So please check out Interior Splash across all the social media channels, right? And go through the videos, and I can ensure that you would definitely like it, and those videos and everything will definitely impress you as well.
So the best solution if you need on a very economical and without compromising on the quality, we would definitely vouch for Interior Splash. Again, it's a genuine feedback, because today we see our house and we are really happy for what it is right now. So definitely yes, even if we get our second home, that's something which we have decided already that we are going with the Interior Splash. So that's the best decision you could make for yourself.
Thank you.